Dear students, yesterday we have completed the numerical problems on electrical energy and electrical power. So yesterday we have completed 3.9. Fully we have completed 3.9. 3.10 is on resistors connected in series and parallel, but that has been removed from our syllabus for this year. Okay, so now we are going to the 3.11. So in 3.11 what we have to study? We have to study about a cell, we have to study about EMF, we have to study about internal resistance, we have to study about terminal potential difference, then we have to derive the relation between the current through an external resistance and terminal potential difference. This is a derivation for 3 marks. Okay, so now we have to study these 5 topics today. So first we will start with the cell. What is a cell? Okay, cell is what? Cell is a device which we use to maintain a constant potential difference between the ends of the terminal. इसका मतलब क्या है? अभी स्टार्टिंग में करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जब स्टार्ट किया था तो फर्स्ट टॉपिक में हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि इफ सपोज देर इज़ ए वायर, फ्रॉम दिस वायर इफ यू वांट टू if you connect a cell, okay, what the cell will do? It will create a potential. One side it will create a positive potential, on another end it will create a negative potential. The point where this big sign indicates the positive, small line it indicates the negative potential. The end where negative potential is created and the end where positive potential is created, what this will do? It will create an electric field in this direction because of the connection of this small cell, which will create a potential difference V. And what will happen? The electrons will start moving in this direction with a drift velocity Vd. The negatively charged electrons will start move from negative terminal towards the positive terminal. This is called as the electronic current. Okay, so now on that topic, on that day we have studied about a cell. When we are connecting a cell to a wire, electric field is set up in the wire. Now we have to see what is this cell is, how we will make the cell, how it works. This cell is responsible for generating the potential difference. ये cell क्या करता है? Cell is a device which is represented by a symbol plus and minus sign. Plus sign, the big line is the having the positive terminal and the smaller line is denoted by the negative terminal. So what is the function of a cell? It is a device which will maintain a constant potential difference between the ends of the wire or between the ends of the conductor. अभी ये जो सेल है हमने उस वक्त देखा था, ये सेल क्या कर रहा था? ये पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्रिएट कर रहा था. अभी पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या है? ये इस एंड पे पॉजिटिव लगाया, इस एंड पे नेगेटिव लगाया, तो ये पॉजिटिव पोटेंशियल हो गया. इस पॉजिटिव इज कॉल्ड एज एट, पॉजिटिव इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी एट हायर पोटेंशियल. Okay, it is considered to be at higher potential and negative is considered to be at lower potential. Okay, so now already we know that unless and until there are two potential, unless and until higher potential and lower potential is there, current will not flow. So we have understood that because of this positive potential and negative potential, a potential difference is created, and this potential difference, what this potential difference will do? It will create a electric field setup will be there. Electric field will be created, and because of this electric field, what will happen? The electron will start moving from negative terminal towards the positive terminal. So this we have seen because by connecting a cell. So now today we have to see what this cell will do, how this cell is working. What is the concept of this particular cell? Cell is nothing but it is a device. Okay, ये cell क्या है? हम जो एवरीडे का सेल यूज़ करते हैं, बड़ा वाला, छोटा वाला, रिमोट में लगाते हैं, ओके, या माउस में लगाते हैं, या वॉच में लगाते हैं. ये क्या है? पेंसिल सेल है. तो ये सेल क्या करता है? केमिकल एनर्जी को इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करता है. Now what is this chemical energy? How this chemical energy is created? This chemical energy is created by an electrolyte. अभी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कौन सा होता है? H2SO4. H2SO4 is an electrolyte which is used in the cell. What this will have? It is a dilute H2SO4. So sulfuric at H2SO4. This is working as an electrolyte. In this electrolyte, two rods are inserted. The two rods are called as electrodes. Two rods are called as what? Electrodes. Now how this will be there? I will just show here. If this is the container, in this container this is an electrolyte which is H2SO4. So in this electrolyte, what is done? Two rods are inserted, graphite rods these are. So okay, now when the two rods are inserted into this will be connected. Okay, so here these are the two rods. These rods are connected by a outer resistance. So if I say that this is A, this is B, this rods, what will happen? To one rod, positive terminal will be there, another will be having the negative terminal. So this electrolyte will help to generate the positive terminal and the negative terminal. So these two electrolytes, these two rods are called as electrodes. Rods को क्या कहते हैं? इलेक्ट्रोड्स. रॉड भी हो सकते हैं, प्लेट भी हो सकता है. तो ये जो इलेक्ट्रोड है ये कहाँ पर इंसर्ट कर दिया है? H2SO4 इलेक्ट्रोलाइट में. And this is connected with an external resistance R. So these electrodes will be generating the positive terminal and the negative terminal. Positive terminal which is generated, it is called as anode. Positive terminal को क्या कहते हैं? Anode. और negative terminal जो है इसको क्या कहते हैं? Cathode. ये है अपना कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ए सेल. तो सेल के अंदर क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रोलाइट होता है. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट कैसे बनता है? इलेक्ट्रोलाइट क्या है? H2SO4. This H2SO4 will have generate two rods will be there. Electrode rods are there. These rods are called as the electrodes. These rods will be acting as an electrode. When they are dipped into this electrolyte is a chemical solution. What will happen? One terminal will get the positive potential and another terminal will get the negative potential. So this positive will be at higher potential and negative will be at lower potential. So we know already that unless and until two potentials are created, current will not flow. So inside the cell, what these electrodes will be behaving? One will become positive, another will become negative. Positive will be at higher potential, negative will be at the lower potential. Clear idea? So positive and negative terminal will be created, or positive potential or negative potential is created. So this is the function of the cell, means this cell will be done. Now question arises that how this will be done, how the charges will be moving. So that is done by EMF. What is this EMF? EMF is nothing but it is electromotive force of a cell. This EMF is denoted by E. In some books it is denoted by epsilon. Okay, so what this EMF is called? This EMF is defined as the potential difference between the terminals, between these two terminals. It is the EMF of a cell may be defined as the potential difference its terminal when no current is drawn from the cell. When no current is drawn, the potential difference which is created between the two terminals, it is called as the EMF of the cell. EMF जो है, it depends on the nature of the electrolyte. Okay, what this EMF, it depends on some factor. The first factor is that it depends upon the nature. It depends upon the nature of the electrolyte. Second, it depends on the metal of the electrodes. Third, it depends upon the temperature of electrolyte. It depends upon the temperature of the electrolyte. EMF is not a force, but it is the work done to drive the charge in the circuit. What is this EMF? EMF is not a force. It is the work done to drive the charge in the circuit. So EMF is a स्केलर क्वांटिटी. EMF कौन सा क्वांटिटी है? स्केलर क्वांटिटी, क्योंकि ये फोर्स नहीं है. ये क्या है? ये एक तरह का वर्क डन है टू ड्राइव द चार्ज इन द सर्किट. देयरफॉर दिस EMF इज व्हाट? इट इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी. EMF is what? Scalar quantity. This EMF does not depend upon the area of the electrode or distance between the two electrodes. ये जो दो डिस्टेंस है, ये दो डिस्टेंस के बीच के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करता है. EMF of a cell does not depend on the area of the plate and the distance between the plate. This EMF, it is what? EMF is nothing but it is the potential difference between its terminal when no current is drawn from the cell. Okay, when no current is drawn from the cell, it is called as open circuit. What do you mean by open circuit? ओपन सर्किट का मतलब होता है, ये दो तरह के हैं. एक तो है ओपन सर्किट और दूसरा है क्लोज्ड सर्किट. इन ओपन सर्किट व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन करंट इज नॉट ड्रॉन. ओपन सर्किट का मतलब होता है नो करंट इज ड्रॉन. ओके, क्लोज्ड सर्किट का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हेन करंट इज ड्रॉन. मतलब जब करंट ड्रॉ करते हैं तब उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? क्लोज सर्किट. और ओपन सर्किट किसे कहते हैं? जब करंट यूटिलाइज नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, व्हेन नो करंट इज ड्रॉन देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? ओपन सर्किट. सो EMF is what? It is defined as the potential difference between its terminals when no current is drawn from the cell. When no current is drawn from the cell at that particular time, it is called as the EMF of the cell. EMF, full form of EMF is what? Electromotive force of a cell. So generally we think that since it is electromotive force, EMF will be a force, but actually EMF is not a force, but it is the work done to drive the charge in the circuit. तो EMF एक तरह का फोर्स नहीं है. जनरली हमारे दिमाग में आ जाता है कि EMF मतलब क्या होगा? ये फोर्स होगा, मगर एक्चुअली ये फोर्स नहीं है. ये क्या है? एक तरह का, इट इज़ द वर्क डन टू ड्राइव द चार्ज इन द सर्किट. हेंस दिस EMF इज ए स्केलर क्वांटिटी. क्लियर हो गया? तो अभी हमने दो पॉइंट कंसिडर किए. पहला पॉइंट है सेल और दूसरा है EMF. EMF में भी हमने क्या देखा? ओपन सर्किट किसे कहते हैं? क्लोज्ड सर्किट किसे कहते हैं? ओपन सर्किट मतलब क्या है? व्हेन नो करंट इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सर्किट देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज एन ओपन सर्किट. क्लोज सर्किट मीन्स व्हेन करंट इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सर्किट. क्लियर हो गया? अभी ये दो पॉइंट है. अभी तीसरा पॉइंट क्या है? terminal potential difference. Before going to internal resistance, we have to understand the terminal potential difference. What do you mean by terminal potential difference? Terminal potential difference का मतलब क्या होता है? It is the, अभी टर्मिनल मतलब ये दो टर्मिनल हैं. एक है पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल और दूसरा है नेगेटिव टर्मिनल. क्लियर हो गया? सो दो रॉड्स रहेंगे या दो प्लेट्स रहेंगे, पहली प्लेट पॉजिटिव रहेगा, दूसरा प्लेट नेगेटिव रहेगा, तो इन दोनों को सम डिस्टेंस से सेपरेट किया जाता है। तो टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मतलब क्या है? द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रोड्स ऑफ द सेल व्हेन इट इज़ इन क्लोज्ड सर्किट। मतलब जब सेल को हमने कनेक्ट कर दिया है और उससे हम करंट यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं, सेल को कनेक्ट कर दिया है, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल है, नेगेटिव टर्मिनल है, इस सेल को हमने क्लोज करके रखा हुआ है। क्लोज करके रखा है मतलब क्या है? इसको हम यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं। सपोज इन दो सेल के बीच में मैंने बल्ब लगा दिया, छोटा सा बल्ब लगा दिया, और बल्ब लगाने के बाद क्या होगा? एक एंड पॉजिटिव को लगाया, दूसरा एंड नेगेटिव टर्मिनल को लगाया सेल के, तो बल्ब ग्लो होगा। सो व्हेन द बल्ब इज ग्लोइंग, so at that particular time the potential difference between the positive and negative electrode of the cell when it is in the closed circuit and current is drawn. closed circuit मतलब क्या होगा? जस्ट अभी हमने देखा closed circuit किसे कहते हैं? when current is drawn from the circuit. when the current is drawn, then that is called as the terminal potential difference. क्लियर हो गया? टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का मतलब क्या होगा? इट इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव टर्मिनल्स ऑफ द सेल। मतलब ये पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल है, ये नेगेटिव टर्मिनल है। ओके, इट इज़ द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द सेल व्हेन इट इज़ इन द क्लोज्ड सर्किट। मतलब क्लोज सर्किट मतलब क्या होगा? व्हेन वी आर ड्रॉइंग सम करंट फ्रॉम दिस, व्हेन करंट इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर सेल, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज द टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, इट्स यूनिट इज वोल्ट। क्लियर हो गया? सो दिस इज द टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। सेकेंड, विल सी द internal resistance of the cell in the second video.